Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase online presence with Facebook Real Estate easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Facebook business page specifically for your real estate brand. Choose a recognizable profile picture, such as your logo or a professional headshot. Fill out the About section with relevant details, including your contact information and a brief bio. Post high-quality images of your listings, showcasing both interiors and exteriors. Write compelling captions that highlight unique features of each property. Use Facebook Stories to share quick updates or sneak peeks of new listings. Join local community groups related to real estate to engage with potential clients. Share valuable content, such as market insights or home buying tips, to position yourself as an expert. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on your business page. Run targeted ads to reach a wider audience and promote your listings effectively. Utilize Facebook Live to host virtual open houses or Q&A sessions about real estate. Engage with comments and messages promptly to build relationships with visitors. Collaborate with local businesses to cross-promote each other's services. Post regular updates about local events or neighborhood highlights to keep your audience interested. Track your page insights to understand what type of content resonates best with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on engagement metrics to improve your online presence continuously. By following these steps, you'll effectively increase your online presence using Facebook for your real estate business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.